My name is Adrian Meager and I'm the Chief Investment Officer at Orion Investment Managers. And today I'll be taking you through our Q3 2024 asset allocation positioning for our multi-asset funds. First, let's look at South African asset classes. Firstly, cash. We are negative on cash due to the expected interest rate cuts over the next 12 months. And we currently use cash really to fund new opportunities. Looking at South African bonds, we're negative towards inflation linkers. Currently, there are no inflation linkers in our multi-asset funds. And we are neutral on nominal bonds, where we prefer to have a longer duration than the all bond index. Yields are attractive, but have compressed from about 10.3% at the beginning of July to about 9.3% currently. And this is for a generic 10-year bond. Local property, we are still positive on property even after the index has rallied about 20% year to date, and we've maintained our weight at about 6.5%. Property fundamentals are definitely looking more attractive as we head into this rate cutting cycle. Local equity, we have upweighted our view on local equities to positive and have also increased our exposure to SA Inc. shares, preferring to be overweight industrials, neutral financials, and underweight resources relative to their JSE capped SWIX all share index weights. Moving now to our international asset allocation. First, we start with international cash. We are underweight cash, and we still prefer exposure to equities and bonds. If we look at international bonds, we are more positive on bonds as the probability of the Fed cutting rates as early as September have increased. While we still prefer a slightly shorter duration than our benchmark, which is a Bloomberg Global Aggregate Index, but we have recently upweighted our longer duration exposure. And lastly, international equity. We've increased our outlook to positive, and our balanced funds hold about 32% exposure to international equity. Our preference is to be exposed to the developed market over emerging markets, and we have a relative overweight to the US versus Europe and the UK. We believe that asset allocation has a major impact on fund performance, so we view and set our strategic asset allocation on a quarterly basis and amend our model portfolios and funds in line with our house view after each quarter. We will remain true to our investment philosophy and continue to manage our clients' investments accordingly. Thank you, and until next time, goodbye.